Hello friends, this is a sketch. We drawing animals in love to whole this February month, and we're starting from the sky. My colors today are really pastel, and we will work with these colors except this one. This one is black for the cat, so this is called Tip Top, I don't know. And also we will use the white for connecting all the things, and all other colors are very pastel from the Astra. This is one Polish brand, not affiliated with them. I just bought it because they are cheap and very good. So first our sky, and I want to show it like this. So we are connecting now with the white, and white color in the color pencils are not using for white, just to connect colors. This is super light, maybe here in the sky. For these hills here, I want to use this orange because I want to show the dirt. On this part where our animals are is this yellowish color. And if you already didn't understand, today I'm working on mixed love, and with our animals this is friendship, because it's not only love like romantic or passionate. Sometimes love is friendship and can be stronger as our romantic love. So now these mountains with darker green. And then we will use a bit of this green also. This, and then the black one, because I want these hills to have darker tone than these other ones. So we need to show some shadows here. Now we are taking this green and working on this hill behind the cat and dog. We will do some bushes and trees with this yellowish green. Like this. And then again this darkest green to show that this is some trees or bushes. whatever you like. And then I think here we need more dark. And now we need pink in the ear, like this. This is animals are looking from behind, but when you look your cat or dog from behind and you see their ears are also a little bit pinky. So now this dog will be golden retriever. So here is the color. Like this. And then this orange. Oh no, maybe this orange. Yes, for the and always here we draw one by one. This is our little golden retriever. And now our kitty. And kitty have some bluish and now hair with black. So now we can't use white because we will use a stick. Our kitty and doggy, little two paws. They're very cute. And then our grass. The grass also like fur. We're drawing one by one just to connect everything together. And now a little bit of this I need to erase. And this is our friendly love. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.